Once upon a time, in a small American town, there lived a thief who often stole from barns and shops. One day, while passing a little church, he noticed a shiny brass bell. Thinking it would fetch a good price, he grabbed it and hurried away. But the jingling sound disturbed a mountain lion resting nearby. The animal leapt on the thief, and the bell fell to the ground. Not long after, a group of mischievous monkeys discovered the bell. Curious about the shiny object, they carried it into the forest and played with it, ringing it merrily. That night, the villagers heard the strange sound echoing from the woods. Some believed an evil spirit was haunting the forest, celebrating after harming people. Fear spread quickly, and no one dared to go near the trees. But one woman in the town was both brave and clever. She told the mayor she did not believe in spirits and asked for some money to buy supplies. If he allowed her, she would solve the mystery and bring peace to the town. The mayor agreed, promising her a reward if she succeeded. The woman gathered nuts, fruits, and corn. Late at night, she carried them into the dark forest and placed them beneath the trees. Then she stepped back and hid behind a log. Soon, the monkeys spotted the treats. Delighted, they dropped the bell and rushed to grab the food. The woman quickly seized the bell and hurried back to the town. When she presented the bell to the mayor, everyone was amazed. She explained that there were no spirits at all, only playful monkeys ringing the bell. The mayor praised her courage and intelligence, rewarded her with a bag of gold coins, and declared her a hero. The townsfolk admired her bravery, and from that day on, peace was restored.